Hey guys, super short video this week. Lots going on here around the school, trying to get ready for middle school kids to come back and lots of other things happening. So also Book Talk is on hiatus this week. So we'll look forward to another Book Talk for our next assembly. So this one will be rather short, but sweet. We do have postcard recipients will be recognized, and we did get another postcard from Charlie, so that's kind of cool. All right, you guys, this is it. Here we go. Okay, congratulations to this week's postcard recipients. There are quite a few of them in here this time again. It's great to see all the good things you guys are doing. Shuffling them up now. And the winner for this week is Sophia. So, Sophia, next time you're on campus, come on by the office and collect your prize.
Action.
Hi class, this is me, Gunn Born. This is my dog Fader. He's 11 and he loves laying in my bed and he loves getting treats. But sometimes he lazy off, breaks the rules. Then my dad has to tell him to come back. And now I'm gonna give him this treat. Yum 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 yum. I love you, Fredo. It's okay.
Hey, Course Gold Cougars. It looks like Charlie has taken a vacation to the desert. Here, he sent to the third grade class a video from Anza Borrego State Park as he watched the sun set over the mountains. We hope he makes it back soon so he can be at our rallies. Thanks, Charlie, for sending us a postcard.
Okay, that's all that we have for this week. Remember, middle school students, we are looking for you to go ahead and submit some videos that are reviews of movies or video games. Remember, there were some criteria that we talked about last time. They need to be appropriate for everyone, but we'd love to include your guys' videos. So submit those to me. If you have other ideas, middle school kids especially, if there are some ideas that you think we should include and you guys can create some of the content for that, we'd love to hear your ideas. So without further ado, that's all we have for this week. You guys have a great one. See you next time.